Hey everyone! Welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. Today we have another Shein haul unboxing. As you can see, I got a lot of goodies. So let's go ahead and get started with seeing everything that I got, and then we're gonna do some nail art. So the main reason this haul happened is because of this box with these little charms. They came out with these pretty recently and I just fell in love with them. They have so many different ones and they were about €7. So these are super affordable. So of course I had to get both the color options that they had available. As you can see, this one also has silver and gold charms and they look so cute, and I also had space to store some extra ones that I wanted in this one. Next up, I needed some new dotting tools because I only had a few sizes, so I found this pack with all these different tools. All of these came together, and the brushes and the dotting tools, and this was also super affordable. As always, I'm gonna link everything in the description so you guys can get anything that you like as well. But yeah, this was such a good deal. So many good things in here. Next up, I got these little purple Pom Poms, and I thought that they would have that little metallic thing to make them stick on the nail, but they don't, so I don't know how I'm gonna put them on. And as you know, I'm kind of obsessed with these color changing charms lately, so I got these roses that turn blue and I really like them. Next up, I got these cute blue Opal Rhinestones. These are usually super expensive and they were like €1 or something, so that was a steal. I also got these little daisy charms that I like. They're like paper, but they're super cute. And I got some more of those flower charms that have been really trending this year. Here you can see more color changing things. I just love them. These were a light pink color. And I also got this cute little nail mold with flowers. Another thing that I wanted to get from this haul were these pearl charms. I don't know exactly how they're called, but I like them a lot. They're really, really cute. I got some more color changing charms, these blue hearts. I love them. These are just so cool and they switch colors under the sun. I also got some of these little sparkly flowers. I thought they were really cute. And I also found these white apple rhinestones, which I also love. And one thing that I saw some other people use on YouTube were these like disco squares. I don't know how to call them, but I had to get some. I also got some of these flower petal little charms. You'll see a video with these soon. I also got some foils which had a lot of different flowers on them. I really liked these ones. And these were also super cheap, like €1, so this was a great bargain. I got some little diamond rhinestones. I like those so much. They're so easy to use. And I also got this little glitter brush. I didn't have one, so I thought it would be a good idea to get one. And along with that, I got a little brush holder. And yeah, it's just practical, but it's just wide. It's boring. I got some more of those little flower charms, and they also like color changing, which I really like. I have some more of these, but I just wanted to have a few extra ones. I got a little sticker album, I guess you call it, for my stickers and decals. I also got this really cute nail mold, and I had to get some more dual forms because I wanted to get these more like straight ones. I had the Russian ones as you saw, and I used those, so I just wanted to try these ones this time. Video coming on these very soon as well. And that's pretty much everything that I got. I was really happy with this haul. Everything was like super affordable, so I'll link everything in the description. And now let's move on to the nail art. And I actually filmed this part a few days later because I changed my nail color. As you can see, these are from Born Pretty. And I was trying to decide what to do with these nails. I just wanted to add a lot of different charms and just decorate them as much as I could. So I just took my Model Ones Polygel. This is a Ranier clear color. And I also added a layer of top coat, and then I just started kind of freestyling it and adding all of those little charms that I got. I added a bunch of flowers. I don't know, I think these white flowers, they come in all the different colors that you saw me get. I think they're really trending this year and I really like them. A lot of people use them and I absolutely love seeing them every single time. They just make my day. They're so cute. So yeah, I just went ahead and added those. I added a few of those little diamonds, some of the opal stones, a few of those color changing hearts, even though you couldn't really see the color changing effect because of the pink background. But it's okay, I still think they looked adorable. So yeah, this was more like a chill kind of nail art video. I hope that you like everything that I got. I hope that you also like take this as a chance for you to freestyle and just add a bunch of different charms on your nails and enjoy them, because I don't know, there are just some days where I don't want to paint like intricate nail art. I just want to do something like this, which is still super fun and super creative. Yeah, so let me know if you like this idea and if you like this kind of video. Also, since I'm just placing rhinestones and stuff on the nails, I think this would be a good chance to ask you guys, how have you been liking the fact that I'm uploading so frequently? I'm trying to post every other day. So I post a longer video and then I post a short. It's kind of a lot of work some days, but I'm really enjoying it, so I hope you are as well. So for the other hand, I wanted to use this little disco, I don't know why I call them disco, they just remind me of a disco ball, this like little reflective squares. And I just wanted to add at first I wanted to cover the entire nail in them, but I tried it and the nails were too short for this. So I just decided to add a stripe in the middle and then use the pink color that I used on the left hand to add some dots with the new dotting tools. I think it's still pretty simple, but I still like it. It's super reflective and these are definitely so eye-catching. Like, they shift so many colors in the sun. I really enjoyed them. So yeah, I'll definitely be trying more nail art styles with these little disco squares. I think that's what I'm gonna call them, disco squares. That's fine. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything I did for these nails. They're pretty basic, pretty simple for my standards, but I enjoyed putting them together so much. And this is the finished look of both hands. This is also the first time that I'm ever doing a video where I'm doing both of my hands in one video. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment telling me what you thought, and subscribe for more videos every single week. And I will see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye.